This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wang. Don't miss this one. This beautiful home is located in Williamsburg with York County Schools District. New HVAC system installed in 2020 and siding redone in 2015. Convenient location just minutes away from shopping center, restaurants, Colonial Williamsburg, Williams, and Mary, Busch Gardens, water country and very easy to get on interstate. Brand new storage shed also convey. All this at a price that's hard to believe. Call today for your private showings today. For more information, review the details below.